Hello, my name is Kadeem Houghton. I am the Quality Assurance and Lab Tech at Nature's ALPINE Solutions in New Hampshire. The question I asked today is, what is solubility? And the man to tell us what solubility is Steve McQueen, the agronomy manager in all Canada. Steve, take it away.
Thank you very much. And yeah, we're going to talk today about our BioK products at ALPINE. And the biggest part we're looking at is solubility. So we're going to actually do some experiments and key in on how soluble BioK is compared to potassium chloride. The other part is we have to understand that plants can only take up nutrients that are already solubilized. And the big thing is, if you look at these corn roots here, they're very fine. The big tips are important. The finest root hairs are what take nutrients up. And it has to be in a solution. And when we put it in solution, then of course that allows availability to be created so plants can use it more efficiently. So again, also to work with us today, we have Carmen. Carmen, I'll let you introduce yourself as well.
All right, thanks for that great explanation, Steve. And yeah, my name is Carmen Dadiala, and I'm the plant engineer at Nature's ALPINE New Hampshire. And yeah, right before we get into the actual lab test, you know, a great standard for solubility is how many grams of a solid, or in this case, potassium chloride, potassium acetate, are readily soluble in 100 milliliters of water. So in our next clip, we'll see Kadeem do some tests and we'll see just that.
So what I'll be doing is adding 75 milliliters of water to potassium acetate and also 75 milliliters of water to potassium chloride.
All right, so Kadeem, now we're gonna test the true solubility of both these salts. So potassium chloride on the right and potassium acetate on the left. But now, what's different from the last experiment is now we've got still the 25 grams of potassium chloride in 75 milliliters of water. But for the same volume of water, we've got 215 grams of potassium acetate. And what you're saying is we're gonna have all of that dissolved in that volume of water.
Yes, that is completely true, Carmen. Like you're just saying, 25 grams, only 25 grams of potassium chloride with the 75 milliliters of water. If you look at this container right here with potassium acetate, it is almost full to the brim, but we're still gonna add the 75 milliliters of water, and we know that it will still dissolve. Take a look.
That's amazing. Let's see it.
Well, that's been a lot of fun actually going through the process. Dean, thanks. Carmen, I really appreciate that. And as we've sort of shown here, that the solubility of BioK is incredible. And what that just means again is that we can get this into plant availability. We're able to get our BioK products into the plant to help the plants utilize them to pick up metabolism. We also know that it helps with some other factors as well, which we'll probably talk to at a later stage. So again, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for coming and actually enjoying, and we really had a lot of fun. And just remember that our potassium BioK is actually patented in both US and Canada, and this product itself is a game changer on your farm. Take care.